Pizza is a global favorite thanks to its variety of flavors and styles. Domino's has become an icon thanks to its pioneering thinking in the delivery industry. In 1965, Domino's founder, Tom Monahan, invented the corrugated cardboard pizza box, which protected the cheese and allowed for the stacking of boxes for delivery. This delivery-first mindset was the foundation for Domino's to surpass its competitors, and by 2022, it had become the largest pizza chain in the U.S. with more than 20,000 stores worldwide. Domino's has 25 supply centers across the country to ensure its ingredients are always fresh. There, dough is made from scratch by mixing water, oil, yeast, salt, sugar, and a secret goodie bag into 800-pound drums. Flour is then added and mixed in an industrial machine at 280 revolutions per minute. The dough is divided into small pieces, rolled into balls, and passed through a metal detector for inspection. The balls are chilled for exactly 1 hour at 39 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain their natural elasticity, then stacked on trays and kept refrigerated until they are shipped to stores. Domino's new sauce, Robust Inspired, is made by its supplier. Starting with tomato concentrate, which is poured into a large mixer, salt, vinegar, sugar, and a spice mix of garlic, chili, basil, pepper, citric acid, and mint are added. The whole mixture is stirred and heated in a large tank until blended, then packaged into 32-ounce plastic bottles and shipped to a distribution center. The cheese is supplied by large manufacturers such as Lino Foods. Fresh milk is poured into tanks, pasteurized at 162 degrees Fahrenheit, and cooled. They then add yeast and fermentation bacteria, Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacillus delbrueckii, to ferment and create a characteristic mild sour taste. Rennet enzyme is added to coagulate the milk, creating curd and whey. After the whey is separated, the curd is cooked at 136 degrees Fahrenheit and stretched in a machine. The finished cheese is shaped, salted in brine, then shredded and packed in 5-pound bags, refrigerated before shipping. Pepperoni, the most popular topping, is typically made from 80% pork, shoulder, loin, and 20% beef, chuck. The meat is ground and mixed with fermented bacteria. Then a secret seasoning of salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, and fennel seeds is added. The mixture is stuffed into collagen casings, hung on shelves and left to ferment for 1 to 2 days at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, then dried for 60 days in a humid room. The pepperoni is then peeled, sliced 2 millimeters thick, vacuum packed, and sent to Domino's cold storage. Once the ingredients, dough, sauce, cheese, toppings, are ready, they are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and delivered to each store, often at night to avoid traffic. At the store, the ingredients are placed in a cool storage room for later use. The online order tracking system allows customers to monitor the baking process in real time, from order confirmation to delivery. When an order comes in, the staff takes the dough out to rest, so it's soft and easy to work with. They spread the dough using a 6-finger rotation technique, creating an even, thin edge. Then, they place the dough on a baking sheet and use a spoon, a cross between a spoon and a spatula, to spread the sauce evenly in 3 swirls. Next, cheese is spread from the outside in, ensuring an even coating and exposing a few spots of sauce underneath. Toppings like pepperoni are arranged in a spiral so that each slice gets its full flavor. The pie is baked in a conveyor oven at 465 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, it's cut into 8 pieces, placed in corrugated cardboard boxes, and ready for delivery or pickup. Domino's has always been a pioneer in delivery technology, from cooler bags and rooftop trackers to robots, drones, and even cars with built-in ovens. In 2023, they'll also roll out geolocation delivery, allowing customers to pick up their pizzas anywhere, from the beach to the stadium. However, Domino's wasn't always popular. In 2009, internal surveys recorded frank feedback from customers. The crust was compared to cardboard, and the sauce was as bland as ketchup. Faced with a brand crisis, Domino's responded by overhauling its recipe in 2010. It completely upgraded its crust, sauce, and cheese, all using premium ingredients.